Hello all my dear students. Today we are going to see lesson number 5 of chemistry, air and atmosphere, questions and answers. On page number 101, we have a question. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. We are going to see those questions one by one. Dash is the closest layer of the atmosphere to the earth. Answer is troposphere. Number 2. Green plants manufacture food through the process of dash. Answer is photosynthesis. Number 3. Air has no specific chemical formula and its composition dash from place to place. Answer is varies. Number 4. Dash is the layer above stratosphere in which the incoming dust and rock fragments burned. Answer is mesosphere. Number 5. Dash is almost an inert gas which does not support burning. Answer is nitrogen. Number 6. The presence of dash in air decides the changes in the weather such as rain. Answer is water vapor. Number 7. Impurities like dust, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide in the air lead to dash. Answer is acid rain. Helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon are dash gases. Answer is inert gases. Number 9. Artificial satellites orbit in dash layer of Earth's atmosphere. Answer is thermosphere. Number 10. The blanket of air that surrounds the Earth is dash. Answer is atmosphere. On page number 104, again we have a question. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. We are going to see one by one those questions. Dash is a chemical change that releases energy in the form of heat and light. Answer is combustion. Number 2. Dash forms the building blocks of proteins, enzymes and other cell constituents. Answer is nitrogen. Number 3. LPG, CNG and biogas are dash fuels. Answer is gaseous. Number 4. Exhaled air and fuel on combustion are rich in dash. Answer is carbon dioxide. Number 5. Dash is used for cooking stoves and lighting lamps. Answer is kerosene. We are now going to see section 1. Question is, name the following. Number 1. A gas necessary for respiration. Answer is oxygen. Number 2. A gas necessary for photosynthesis. Answer is carbon dioxide. Number 3. Atmosphere layer containing ozone layer. Stratosphere. Number 4. A component of air which is important for growth of plants and animals. Answer is nitrogen. Number 5. A product of fractional distillation of petroleum. Answer is kerosene. Question number B. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following is not a product of fractional distillation of petroleum? Answer is coal. Number 2. A process of breaking down of food to release carbon dioxide, water and energy. Answer is respiration. Number 3. Air is considered as a mixture because. Answer is B. Its constituents retain their properties. Number 4. Which of this is not a constituent of clean air? Answer is D. Sulfur dioxide. Number 5. The food formed during photosynthesis is stored in the form of. Answer is A. Sugar. Question C. Write T for true and F for false. Correct the false statements. Number 1. Troposphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Answer is false. Instead of troposphere, it should be exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Number 2. By volume, air contains 78% nitrogen and 11% oxygen. Answer is false. Instead of 11%, it should be 21%. So, by volume, air contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Number 3. Green plants contain chlorophyll that helps in respiration. Answer is false. Instead of respiration, it should be photosynthesis. Green plants contain chlorophyll that helps in photosynthesis. Due to continuous increase in deforestation and atmospheric pollution, the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the nature has been disturbed. It is question 4 and answer is true. Number 5. The free atmospheric nitrogen is converted into soluble nitrate for the organisms which cannot consume nitrogen directly through the process of combustion. Answer is false. Instead of combustion, it should be nitrogen fixation. So, the free atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrate for the organisms which cannot consume nitrogen directly through the process of nitrogen fixation. Question B. Choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. Dash is an inert gas used in weather balloons. Answer is helium. Number 2 question. Dash is preferred fuel for running automobiles as it is inexpensive and less polluting. Answer is CNG. Number 3. During the burning process, fuels used up dash and release dash into the atmosphere. Answer is oxygen and then carbon dioxide. During the burning process, fuels used up oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Number 4. Exhaust of automobiles, thermal power plants and factories are common sources of dash. Answer is air pollutants. The increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to increase in the concentration of dash is called global warming. Answer is carbon dioxide. Question E. Match the following. First question. Smoke. Answer is D. Contains sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Question 2. Burning. Answer is E. Releases carbon dioxide. Question 3. Mesosphere. Answer is B. The layer above stratosphere. Question 4. Thermosphere. Answer is A. Artificial satellites orbit in this layer. Question 5. Nitrogen fixation. Answer is C. Blue-green algae. Question F. Circle the odd one. One has been done for you. First answer is atmosphere, which is already done. Second question. Helium, neon, oxygen. Answer is oxygen. Question 3. LPG, CNG, carbon dioxide. Answer is carbon dioxide. Question 4. Burning, respiration, photosynthesis. Answer is photosynthesis. Question 5. Kerosene, diesel, wood. Answer is wood. Give reasons for the following. Question 1. Deforestation is one of the causes of global warming. Answer is deforestation leads to low photosynthesis. As a result, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases, causing global warming. Question 2. Burning is a chemical change. Answer is burning produces carbon dioxide, water vapor, and large amount of energy. Since in this process new products are formed, it is a chemical change. Question 3. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for all the organisms. You can get answer on page number 102 of textbook. So answer is nitrogen forms the building block of proteins, enzymes and other cellular constituents which are essential for all forms of life. Proteins makes up our skin and hair and help in carrying out various processes in our body such as digestion of food, growth and repair. Question 4. Photosynthesis and respiration in plants are different processes. Answer. Photosynthesis prepares food and respiration breaks the food to release energy. Photosynthesis consumes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, whereas respiration consumes oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Hence, photosynthesis and respiration are different processes. Question 5. Air is a mixture, not a compound. This answer you can get on page number 96 of your textbook. Air is a mixture as its composition varies from place to place and time to time. The different constituents of air retain their original properties. There is no specific chemical formula for air. The components of air can be separated by simple physical methods. Question 6. Smoke is harmful. Answer. Smoke contains solid particles and chemicals which are undesirable, hence is harmful. Question H. Distinguish between the following. Number 1 question. Exhaled air and inhaled air. We'll see one point. Air that we breathe out is called exhaled air. Air that we breathe in is called inhaled air. Exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide and water vapor. Inhaled air contains normal amount of carbon dioxide and water vapor. Exhaled air is warm. Inhaled air is cool. Second question. Air pollution and global warming. You can get point of air pollution on page number 103 of textbook. And global warming you can get on page number 104. So, air pollution is the release of undesirable and harmful substances into the air is what is air pollution. The increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to the increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Question number 3. Distinguish between burning and respiration. Burning or combustion is a chemical change in which a substance combines with oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light. It is the definition of burning which you can get on page number 101. Respiration. The chemical change or a process of breaking down the digested food by the action of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy is called respiration. You can get definition of respiration on page number 100. Burning is a fast reaction. Respiration is a slow reaction. High amount of energy is produced during burning. Low amount of energy is produced during respiration. Question number 4 is distinguish between nitrogen fixation and combustion. Nitrogen fixation. Free nitrogen is converted to soluble nitrates with the help of blue-green algae and certain types of bacteria that live in the soil by a process called nitrogen fixation. You can get definition of nitrogen fixation on page number 103 of textbook. Combustion. Burning or combustion is a chemical change in which a substance combines with oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light. You can get the definition of combustion on page number 101 of your textbook. Second point of nitrogen fixation. The process involves nitrogen. Combustion. The process involves oxygen. Third point. Nitrogen fixation produces soluble nitrogen compounds, whereas combustion produces carbon dioxide, water vapor, and heat and light energy. Thank you.